Alright, what's up guys? Trading recap Friday, 1/2/26 says my first trade of the year. And let's just say we got a little setback. Horrible trading day, that's all I'm gonna say. Alright, so we traded usual micro, E-mini, NASDAQ, MNQ, and the session, New York session, our daily bias was bullish. Yeah. News, we had no news. And okay, I hate when I do that. Yeah, show you guys what happened. So bearish, as you can see, this is bearish daily, 4 hour. Fucking hell, hold up. Alright, my my daily bias was a little wrong. So I'm gonna say. So we see, so this candlestick wasn't here and this one wasn't here either. But on the 4 hour we saw a break in structure. That's what I saw. So bullish at the time. 1 hour bullish. These two candlesticks weren't even here. It was just up, boom, up, boom. And then we see our market open up, you know? So it's bullish. I'm looking for I'm like, let's look for some buys. And let's just say we're wrong. We're wrong. I should have saw, I should just looked in the bigger picture. It wanted to go down. Like, look, it broke here, wanted to go down. Broke here, came down again. And we were hitting an accumulation zone. See, look, we actually hit, this was the yesterday's trade. We hit this accumulation zone and started going down. So we should have thought about that today. Look, it came up into this accumulation zone again. It didn't even break it. Look, see, it was a little short from breaking it. But let's go a little deeper in. 15-minute. Alright, also I took the trade early. Like I should be taking trades a little later than this. I feel like where I took the trade the fuck. Horrible trade. Let's just go. Oh, this is what I'm pissed about. This is what I'm mad about this trade. It's not even that I just don't even know, I need to see. I'm not seeing this. Look, if you really think about it, look, London Edge opens and starts coming up, makes a high, breaks structure and starts going bearish. The New York Sedge opens, comes down, comes up immediately. Maybe usually, alright, well in my notes, usually when it shows it going up like this and then a reversal happens during the session, it means that the next session, also known as New York session, is probably going to do a continuation. So first of all, I should have thought of that. So I should have waited till maybe at least set 10 to 15, 10, 20 until actually trying to get in a decent trade. But yeah, if you look here, we um swept liquidity here, and let's just go to the 1 minute. I only did 1 minute confluences again. The hell is the market, bro? Alright, there it is. Only 1 minute confluences. I don't know what is up with me in 1 minute confluences, but I'm taking them too often. Look at this. This is like the perfect setup. Look at this. So we see it come up, boom, boom, break, structure to the upside, and then boom, blah, 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 accumulation, and then it starts coming up into this order block. Order block. See, look, it's in the order block right here. And then after it comes into the order block, look, fair value gap. Well, it actually goes past the fair value gap, so you don't really need to worry about that. But it does go into equilibrium, I think. Let's check. Yep. equilibrium. It's above the green, so I could have shorted right here. It would have been probably better short, and I didn't wait. So here's what I saw for my trade. That's the trade I could have taken right there. I could have shorted off of this. It's actually a pretty good short, but it's not 1 minute confluences, but still not bad. But I longed instead. I thought it was going. I thought we were gonna go up, but we weren't. We liquidity sweep, and let's just say we got a huge rejection. So we see it start moving up. Uh, accumulation moves up out of it. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's what we see right here, kind of. I feel like, but we see it accumulate. We see it come up. Make a fair value gap. This is what I wanted to enter off of this fair value gap. And I'm like, oh, fair value to the upside. We should buy. This is good. This one closes. Confirm fair value gap. We have huge um what is it called? Like just like it disrespects it, it does like it wants to go up and then disrespects it and goes down smooth. And then it does it here too. That's why I entered. After this it came down into the fair value gap. I should have just entered like down here. I could have got at least one take profit. But I wanted to have extra confirmation. I waited for this candlestick to close, and then after it closed, I entered and immediately got stopped out because I didn't wait and be patient for another candlestick. Maybe I didn't wait for. I just wasn't being patient. All right, and I'm doing 1 minute confluences like a bum. Like here, let's find some trades that I could have taken. Well, look at this. Let's go to the 5 minute. Oh, wait, no, it's the wrong wrong one. They look the same. Nah, but right here, look at this. Could we have taken this? I don't know. Is this even equilibrium? I mean, maybe not. Hmm. I think low key we would have had to take a 1 minute confluence. I mean, we could have entered off of this little retracement up. Doesn't really go into a fair value gap. Doesn't go into hit this part right here. It doesn't come up into the order block. But like maybe we could have. Oh, okay, never mind. We could have entered up right here. Look, inversed. It inversed the fair value gap. Oh, well, we could have just entered here. It's a mini inverse. Is that inverse? I don't even know, bro. Yeah, baby inverse. Like, I wouldn't count it. I would just wait till this one. We inverse it like 3 times in a row. After this closes, see this one start going down. Maybe just enter off of this, and yeah, you'll probably do good. But yeah, we lost by like really badly. I want to start like doing off of like 5 minute confluences because I feel like 1 minute confluences aren't really enough. And I feel like what I did wrong in this trade is like I wasn't really being patient like I should have been. I should have been like a lot more patient, I feel like. And yeah, I'll see you guys on what day am I trading? I'll backtest Monday. I can't trade Tuesday because I got practice in the morning, which is bullshit. Wednesday I'm not trading. Thursday I would trade, but I got practice in the morning, which is bullshit again. And Friday I'll just backtest because I'm gonna start real trading. I have an account and everything, so we'll trade on Monday. That's the next like trading day. I'll probably like record, but if I take a trade. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.